You want me to kill that armadillo? Samuel petted the armadillo a while ago. Are you a big bad deer hunter?
I thought the deer was a knife.
With a knife? Oh gosh, you want to kill a deer with a knife. After you get through coloring your VeggieTales and eating his brownies, drinking this sippy cup of tea, and all that good stuff. That's what you got planned, don't you? I love you. You're a good deer hunter. He's being awfully quiet, actually. I'm so proud. 4.5 years old. So if a deer comes at you, you want to kill it with that knife? Easy with it. What are you doing? You want to jump on a deer with that knife and stab him? Which part's the sharp part of the blade? Show me where the sharp part.
Right there.
That's the part you don't touch, right? Okay. This is fun. Show me how you cut. Show me what Daddy taught you. No. You know how to do it. There you go. Look at that boy go. He's a natural. You got a little work to do.
I always see that Joanna we see. Like I wrote that bygone ad. I always see it when we go to deer camp.
See what?
See that thing we passed?
Armadillo.
The armadillo. We see it when we go to deer camp.
Did you try to hit the armadillo?
I tried to hit it.
But he run off, didn't he?
He was scared.
He was scared of you, wasn't he? Shh, not so loud.
Armadillo, that was the silly part.
That was the silly part. Hey, where are we at right now?
We at the forest of Papa Dooley.
Papa Dooley deer stand.
The Papa Dooley deer.
This is your first time to come hunting with me, aren't you? Isn't it? Yes. We have like a snowball's chance. Right. You agree, huh? We're at Papa Dooley's old deer stand. Here we have a little record of the deer he has killed in this stand in several years of hunting. Or there could have been just a couple on him, because he did do some killing in his day. That's important right there. You got that right. And that's about all we can see. And that's how we walked in. I thought it was a little bit better cleaned up than this. I was wrong. Bad wrong. But we're here for until dark, so that's about 2.5 hours. Anna's done ate some cookies, and now she's fixing to drink some more Kool-Aid. I don't see anything's happening, but I'm going to have fun regardless.